Bro, you know what we haven't done in a while?
What's that?
Open up 14 Sword and Shield base set packs. What is going on, guys? I'm Gary.
I'm Jake.
And in today's video, we got some Sword and Shield base set going for some of them gold doggos. Hopefully we pull one. That would be nice. And you know we don't like to keep you guys waiting, so we're going to get right into it. You want to go first?
I'll go first.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, first pack. Magic. You guys know what time it is with the first pack magic. We get double the love on the first pack magic.
So that means you're not getting anything.
There's 2 first pack magic. One for each of them. I kind of just tried to cheat and look at the code card. You didn't see that, so
don't do it.
It landed on the wrong side. I couldn't see it.
Hitmonlee, that's my boy right there. Red candy, teacups. Pretty cool cactus.
Ooh,
Pikachu.
Pikachu's you. Pikachu's already.
Sizzle.
Sizzle.
Okay, we got the reverse pokes and starting off cold.
Hollow. Alright, my first pack magic. Let's see if it's a little bit more magical than it is, you know?
Start off with a bang.
Alright. Code card for you guys. 4 from the back. Just like that. Alright.
Energy.
Got our energy. Oh, sold 2 of them. That's alright. Big Charm.
Free chains.
Lip Bug. Rhyhorn. Encino. Chinchou. Frogunk. Goldeen. Ooh, Keldo. Let's go. That's a nice card.
That's a nice little My Little Pony.
Alright.
That's fire. Starting off with the bang.
Right?
Oh,
no sleeve.
Always. Last like 3 times.
Right?
Man, here you go. Just do my
Boom, bada bang.
We're up there. Alright.
Nice. Welcome.
Drop this Snorlax.
Keldo.
Yeah, that's a
Keldeo. I don't know how you say that, to be honest, but it's dope.
Oops. Pack number 2, which is usually better than number 1.
My first pack magic worked. Hey, I'm not complaining.
4 from the back,
Alright.
just like that.
Let's see.
Switch. Luck up. Rhyhorn. Rookie D. Krabby. Mud Donkey. Reverse Cottony. And, Stonehenge.
Back V hits. Let's go.
Let's do it, boys.
Alright,
girls.
We got the Doggo on the front. We got the Doggo on the back. See.
Come on, puppers.
Alright, get that out of here. Give you guys the code card. Boom. 4 from the back.
Just like that.
Alright, we got our energy. Hitmonlee. Rare candy. Lip Bug. Rhyhorn. Encino. Chinchou. Dang, I mean, this is like the same pack. Gengar. Ooh, Gengar reverse. That's my 3rd favorite Pokemon. Let's go. And more Pico. Rainbow. Let's go.
Let's keep coming, baby.
Let's go.
We're off to a good start.
What? Gengar and the Rainbow? I couldn't have asked for a better pack.
Texture.
Oh man, look at that. Oh.
Okay. See if we can keep it going.
Sleeping on the Gengar too.
That's the Lapras pack card. Yeah, Gengar's fire.
Might have to
Cop that thing. Yeah. Alright, pack number 3, folks.
Alright, let's see. Another Rainbow?
Ooh.
We did back-to-back D's, back-to-back Rainbow time?
Okay.
Yep.
You know what? I'm going for another rainbow, folks.
Alright.
Rabu. Pseudo. Lavapuss. Cottony. Choodle. That's cool. Rhyhorn. Rookie D. Okay. And dang. What is that? Never-ending story thing?
Right. Going into my next pack. See if it's as lucky as the last one. Probably not, but my hopes are high now.
Fingers
Feeling
crossed,
good. Right. Boom. Get that out of here. 4 from the back, just like that. Alright, we got energy. Wacky. Lucky Egg.
Double.
Rhyhorn. Encino. And Cow. Clearing me out. Reverse Sizzle. And a Snorlax.
Not the Snorlax we wanted.
Eating some apples. Alright.
This has that Snorlax on the planet. Alright, let's try our luck. Pack number 4.
Oh no, I lost count at that rainbow.
You lost count
Lost
at the
count at the
rainbow.
rainbow.
Code card.
Alright.
Good one. Yes. Alright. It's the ordinary rod. Mencino. Ponyta.
Ponyta.
Skull Bunny. Oh, Silly Cobra. Groupie Reverse.
Ooh,
Victini V. I was just looking at that card too. Look at that eyeball, bro.
Eyeball gleaming. Let's go. Alright. We got Snorlax pack art.
Full of
See?
Snorlax.
Oh, Snorlax. That'd be dope. I know, I wish that Rainbow was one thing for the Snorlax to be,
Lapras?
yeah, the Lapras. That's alright. We'll take any Rainbow. Any
Rainbow's good,
Rainbow
right?
at all. I'm not complaining. I was just saying it would have been nice. That's all. Right. Silly Cobra. Lip Bug.
Goldeen.
Teacup. And, ooh, Obstagoon Hollow.
It's not a champ pack option.
No. So,
It's not that bad, I guess. Actually, we'll go with the
doesn't hurt the
Lapras.
heart as much.
I know, you see the champs pack Obstagoon, and you're like, yep. You just throw
Can't
the whole
pass any
box
hollow
away.
at this point. Just heart hurt.
Who's that Pokemon? Ooh, I see
Daughter screaming in the
something.
background. I don't know if you guys got to hear that.
Raboots.
Alright.
Lumberry. Shelter. Ponyta.
Ooh.
Chinchou. And...
Oh!
Look at it, baby.
Let's go. That's what we want.
Oh,
The gold version. Let's go.
that's
Nice
pack,
card.
man.
Alright, going into our next one. We gotta keep the heat flowing. We gotta keep it going. These packs are treating us lovely.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
Right? We got code card for you guys. And we do give out code cards every single video. So if you guys do TCGO, make sure you guys turn the notifications on and hurry up and come grab some code cards because people come and grab them quick. And I don't think they leave stuff for others. I think you guys should leave stuff for others. Take a couple and, ooh, 7BB, let's go.
Let's go.
Nice. Let's go. But yeah, take a couple, leave some for others, you know?
That's actually, I like this Pokemon kit.
Everybody share. Sharing is caring.
Makes the world go round.
I feel like I sound like real breaking Nate. But let me leave that to him. But for real though, leave some for others. Hold on, we're losing our hips in a mixture of all this goodness. Hold on. That can just go over.
We'll be right back after this short break.
Boom, there we go. Letting this go.
Code card.
Right, this might actually be a recap at the end kind of video.
Yeah, it's looking like it. It's looking
We got
like
enough
it, guys.
going on.
Alright. Got the insects in case it gets stinky. Hopper. Nicket. Chinchou. Piglet. Goldeen.
Keep going.
Ooh, reverse Kingler. That's
Yeah.
fire.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Marshana non-hollow. Alright, let's go. Can we keep it going? Sorry, we need to take a couple L's, right?
Yeah.
Alright. No card for you guys.
Highs belows.
Alright, we got our fire energy.
Bring the fire.
My Shan to go with that Hitmonlee, you know? Valerian Lanoons, Nam, Rookie, Elder, Marwild, what's
Ponyta.
up? Wooloo, and Noctowl, non-hollow.
I always like that though.
There.
Alright, guys. Last pack. We get a gold.
Last pack magic, alright. Let's see it, let's see it. We need the gold to go with the rainbow.
Yes, sir.
Got it, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the rainbow is the gold, right?
I'm gonna put this down here so you can't even see.
You don't want me to see if it's white or not? That's messed up.
Alright.
I don't like surprises, guys.
We're gonna find out. Seeking the card at the end. Mencino. Chinchou. Valerian Meow.
Funny.
Reverse Ghastly. And Cinderace. Hollow.
Nice card, though.
This is a nice
That might
card.
be a nice card.
Put that in slow.
Alright, my last pack, guys. Got the Lapras pack art. He made something happen. He made a little something happen on his last pack magic, but he didn't have nothing on first pack, and I did. So hopefully it doesn't go that way for last pack for me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, four from the back, just like that. Got our water energy. Hitmonchan again. A Lanoon again. Seeking. Vulpix. Love that Vulpix. Voltoy.
Chinchou.
Krabby. Galarian Ponyta. And a Graplock non-hollow to end it all.
Alright.
We'll do a quick recap just because we had some nice cards.
pretty good pull.
We had some nice cards. Got the Stone Joiner V, the Celebi V, we got the Victini V, the Keldeo V, the Zamazenta V Full Art.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful card.
Ooh.
And the Lord Pico
Rainbow.
VMAX Rainbow Rare.
Gorgeous.
So, well, we appreciate you guys watching. If you guys stuck around this whole video, please do smash that like button. It helps us out a whole bunch. And until next time, guys, happy hunting.
Latest.